I'm going to show you how to install a browser even if you do not have a browser installed on Windows 11. If you have accidentally uninstalled all of your browsers from your PC, or for some strange reason you didn't have a browser installed when you installed Windows, there's a quick and easy way of fixing this issue. All we need to do is head on down to the search bar at the bottom, or alternatively press start and then click search, and type in Microsoft Store and then click on that. On the very left, select apps, and then there are two different methods here. We can either just select must have free apps at the bottom left here, and then browse until you see a browser from this list. So as you can see, we scroll down very slightly and we've got Firefox and we have Brave. So we could just click on Firefox here and then click get, which will install it onto our PC. Alternatively, we can just use the search bar at the very top. So we're already on Firefox here. So as an example, I'll just type in Brave because that's another one that I just saw. And then we can click on Brave and again, just click the install button. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.